So, second quarter tayo. Yan.
Pampanga. Yes, seven game.
Pampanga
Seven
versus
Bustos. Bustos to jersey number 18 from the downtown. Wala. Salas to jersey number 14. Wala. Jersey number 18. De La Paz. Ha? De La Paz. Di Paz, sorry. Di Paz. Di Paz to Cotamora. Cotamora. Dire-diretso. Kali may jersey number 8. Cotamora. Wala. Palencia. 2 points by Palencia. 28-21. Pampanga Dragons. Bustos. Bustos got it by jersey number 8. Okay, there's a foul left. Who's foul left? All right. Okay. It's a pushing foul by jersey.
Rep, technical mo, rep. Rep, technical mo.
3 minutes and 9 minutes and 24 seconds first. And then from the beating pool line by jersey number 9. That pass. Last second. Free throw.
Wala.
Di Paz. Di Paz to Valencia to jersey number 6. Rinales to Di Paz. Di Paz to Rinales. Rinales from the downtown. Wala. Rebound by Palencia. Palencia, wala. To jersey number 14. So, same ball. Jersey number 13, Cotamora. Cotamora to Valencia to Rinales. To Di Paz. Wala. Bustos.
Oy, ang lakas. Away ang bola.
Number 2 to Cotamora. Cotamora galing by jersey number 18. Or Cotamora, dire-diretso. Wow!
Nice shot by Cotamora.
Foot line by jersey number 13, Cotamora.
Cotamora, bonus shot, no good. Rebound by Bustos.
Bustos. Bustos to Salas. 28 para to Di Paz. Cotamora guarded by jersey number 18. Cotamora. Cotamora.
8 seconds to shoot.
Cotamora. Cotamora to jersey number 6. Rinales to Cotamora. Cotamora to Valencia. Wow.
Gandang tira yun. Okay.
27.
Ito yung sinasabi may game plan. Alright.
Bustos. Wow. Isa ba ako? Substitute. Basket.
Basket. Pasok.
Ni.
Pasok pa rin.
Cotamora. Wala. Rebound by David. David to jersey number 15. Wala. Intercept. Alright. Cotamora. Cotamora scored 28-13. Cotamora. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 16. Rinales.
Tinawag si Rep.
Jersey number 6. Rinales. Rinales. 28-30. It's a 2-point lead by Pampanga Dragons.
Di Paz.
Di Paz guarded by Bustos to Cotamora, guarded by Mr. David. David. It's a double team by David. It's a traveling violation. It's a traveling violation committed by jersey number Bustos, guarded by jersey number 18 to Conanan. Conanan guarded by Di Paz. Dire-diretso. Ay, ganda. Wow.
Ganda ng tirang yun. Pasok.
32-28. Brasileño to Di Paz, guarded by jersey number 18 Salas to jersey number 14 to Cotamora. Cotamora guarded by Salas to jersey number 14 Moana.
Nice shot.
Moana is 2 points by jersey number 14. Bustos to Salas from the downtown. Wala, rebound by David.
Nice shot by David.
David, it's 2 points by jersey number 5. Cotamora, guarded by jersey number 11, Cunanan. Alright. Brasileño to Di Paz. Wala.
Ang bilis. Nice
2
shot.
points by jersey number 15. Brasileño intercepted by Cunanan to Bustos. Bustos de derecho.
Nice shot by David.
Salas to Pampanga Dragons, 7 Lagria.
10 seconds to shoot.
David to jersey number 15 Salas.
Salas.
I'm sorry, 38 is an 8-point lead. Brasileño tuloy-tuloy. Butatan, not on my watch, sabi mismo ni Irania.
Nice shot, Irania.
34 40-30. Barbosa to Brasilino. Brasilino galing by jersey number 16. Back to Barbosa to Cotamora. Cotamora galing by jersey number 16. Irania.
10 seconds to shoot.
Cotamora. Cotamora galing by jersey number 7. Latria. Dire-diretso. Cotamora. Cotamora.
Uli.
There's a foul. By jersey number 10. Who's foul ref? Dragons. And of course, as well as one timeout from the Davao.
Tira ni parang Litada.
Alright.
The second quarter.
Litada by jersey number 10. Second attempt basket.
40-31 ang score.
Alright. From the Pampanga Dragons. Enriquez kaya jersey number 16. Dire-diretso. Enriquez.
Ang ganda ng tira ni Enriquez.
Galing, ano? Barbosa! Wala. Rebound by Cotamora. Cotamora to jersey Latria. David to jersey number 11. Cunanan. Dire-diretso galing by Brasilino to Enriquez. Enriquez by Brasilino. Wala. Cotamora. Brasilino to Tan.
Nice shot.
Points.
Tan. Ganda ng tira ni Tan.
Lagria, galing by Tan. Lagria, dire-diretso. Pass to Cunanan. Cotamora, dire-diretso. Galing by jersey number 16 to Tan.
Nice shot by Tan. Tournament 42-35.
35.
Lamang pa rin ng Davao. Pampanga, sorry. Lamang pa rin ng Pampanga.
Of the second quarter,
Pito ang kalamangan ng Pampanga.
Video, we find ways and you're in good hands with in Riyadh. Alright?
Yan. Bustos.
Bustos magkabol. Lagria to Bustos to David.
Nice shot.
Wow.
Counted daw sabi ni Rep.
There's a foul.
Ganda ng tirang yun.
Free throw from jersey number 9, Bustos. Basket. Alright. Lino to Barbosa. Barbosa to Brasilino. Galing by jersey number 15 to Barbosa again. Oh, wow. There's a foul. Sumabay pa. How many fouls for Cotamora? Wala pang foul si Cotamora. No? Wala pa. Alright, first free throw. First from 44. Second attempt. Number 44. Third attempt. Basket. Enriquez galing by jersey number 6.
Ganda ng ikot yun.
Rebound by David to. Ayan, jersey number 10. Brasilino galing by jersey number 15. Dire-diretso umatake. Ay, kinapot.
Pasok.
Aboy na sumunod pa. 37-45. Brasilino. Bustos to David.
Uy, uli.
Grabe. Number 31.
Davao David. Penalty situation.
Alright, Davao is in the penalty situation. Number 31, how many fouls? First personal foul. Wala. Valencia. Brasilino galing by Lagria. Brasilino from the downtown. Wala. Kayo tinde. Lagria to Irania.
Nice shot. Irania.
The most anticipated pass by Lagria to Enriquez. Brasilino to jersey number 8. Galing. Litan. Grabe. Lagria to David.
Walang lakas.
Irania to Enriquez. Ay, cha-cha-cha. Halika na, cha-cha. Isa traveling violation.
Traveling daw sabi ni Rep.
Pampanga Drag.
Score natin 48-39. Lamang pa rin ang Pampanga.
39-48.
Sariya.
Sa knockout game or quarterfinal match between Pampanga Dragons and Davao Eagles. Brasilino, guarded by Lagria. Brasilino is looking for a pass. Pass to Barbosa, guarded by Irania to Brasilino to the downtown again. Wala. Rebound by David. It's a pushing foul. Kitang-kita ng... Okay. I'm sorry to call. Pampanga is in the penalty situation natin to Davao Eagles. Cotamora, guarded by jersey number 16 to Brasilino to Tan to Valencia. Alright. It's a basket. It's a game between Pampanga and Davao. 48-41. It's a 7-point. Bustos guarded by Tan to Enriquez. Guarded by Cotamora to Lagria. Guarded by Brasilino.
Ang ganda ng ikot ni Lagria. Grabe ikot ni Lagria.
Ang kinaliwa pa, sumabay ka pa. Sabi ni Lagria, sumabay ka pa. There's a great chance.
Mahihilo ka.
Oy!
Oy!
Ay! It's an offensive foul. Wow, Lagria! Lagria to Enriquez! Suway! Dire-diretso pre! Wala!
Sayang.
Oh,
Kung nakashoot yun,
grabe.
ganda nun.
And of
So,
course,
score natin,
Chairman, we'd like to recognize
50-41
Kawahan,
na
our
mga
sports commissioner, no, other
Pampanga.
than Kuya Mike Moro, ano, of course, sa ating committee dito sa table. Maraming salamat.